Hello everybody, this is Tim Carrico. Today is April 30th. Just wanted to show you around the greenhouse here a little bit. Over here we've got basil growing, parsley, cilantro, rosemary, lavender, oregano, and spinach. They're just barely starting to come up. And I planted some onions in there to help with the microscopic little pest that's going on in this one. It's the only bed that's got it in it, but then I got some a green pepper here and a orange pepper there and some tomatoes. And this is a hybrid azalea called Sunbow. And then I got our onion bed over there. On this side we got cherry tomatoes. And then we got some beefsteak tomatoes here. We got some peppers there, some jalapenos. We got some more tomatoes here. And this is a butterfly bush that we just got yesterday. Replacement for one that I killed. Got some broccoli, some bush beans there. I've also got some half runners starting to come up down in there. You can see them. There's one, and there's one, and there's one, there's one. And we got some cucumbers and some peas, and then we got some radishes over here. Got some ginger planted there in this corner. It hasn't come up yet. Oh, I see something starting to come up right there. And on this side, like I said, we got the onions. But then yesterday for Mother's Day, which is like next weekend, got to carry these fuchsias. And they're going to be beautiful. But that's our greenhouse. There's my watering system. Got drip irrigation going along, as you've probably seen. Goes along the back there, and then up this side. Terminates on that last one there. Got some more tomatoes going. Got this hyacinth that was purple, and it's starting to die back down now. Getting ready for next year. Got some more tomatoes up there. I've got a lemon tree, or a lemon started in here. It's not coming up yet. And we got some more sugar peas in here. It's not coming up yet. A watering system. It's a 12 volt RV pump. And I got a strainer on it there. Going through a accumulator, which is like a bladder tank. And I got a timer set up. And a 20 micron filter to filter the water so it doesn't clog the nozzles, basically. And outside here we've got this 275 gallon water tote. It rained last night for a little while, so it's almost half full. But then it just feeds it in through a garden hose into the greenhouse there. That's it for today. Hope you all have a nice Friday and have a nice weekend.